Okay, good afternoon. My name is Don Pierce. I'm here with Paul Rentschler, and we're going to talk about doing our goat cheese and grilled chicken salad today. There are a couple steps we have to do with this particular item. First of all, we've got to make some pickled onions. And to do that, we're going to use 3 large red onions, and we're going to peel the onions and slice on the slicer at setting number 8. These should be the thickness of a dime, as Paul's showing you right here. We're going to rinse these off, put them in a Cambro, just like what we've got. And then we're going to bring our apple cider, which is 4 cups, 1 cup of red wine vinegar, and 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of pickling spice. And we're going to bring that to a boil. We're going to remove from the heat. We're going to add the pickling spice. And then we're going to take this mixture, pour over our onions, stir those up, just like Paul's got them here. We'll actually get to the point where the liquid is almost covering the onions. After that, we're going to take 4 cups of ice, stir that in. Then we're going to take a small plate and we're going to place them over the onions. Push down on it so that they are completely submerged. All right, since we just finished our pickled onions, now we want to make our pecan crusted goat cheese. We're going to basically use a 1/2 cup of finely chopped pecans, and to do that, if you have a food processor, place them in a food processor. If not, you can use your buffalo chopper. You want to get these pretty finely chopped, and they should basically stick together when they're compressed. On a sheet of plastic wrap, like Paul's got right there, we want to place our chopped pecans. Then we're going to take our goat cheese and roll it in the pecans until it's completely covered. Okay. After we've done that, we want to tightly roll up the crusted goat cheese log in plastic wrap. And When I say tightly, I mean tightly. You can see Paul's putting a little pressure on that. This helps keep its form. And then we want to twist the ends to compress the cheese. We want to day dot refrigerate that. Okay, all right, after we've got our pickled onions done, our pecan crusted goat cheese, now we want to make our strawberry vinaigrette dressing. What we want to do is take our strawberries, the same exact ones you use for your shortcakes, basically drain the juice from the strawberries and puree in a bar blender. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of balsamic vinegar and then 4 cups of our low-cal vinaigrette dressing. We're going to put these in a mixer. And then we're going to mix on a medium speed until completely blended. All right, after we've thoroughly mixed and blended all of our ingredients, we're going to transfer that to a Cambro. We're going to cover, label, and refrigerate. Okay, after we have all of our ingredients made, chilled down, and cured, we're going to put together our goat cheese and grilled chicken salad. We're going to be plating that in a black specialty salad bowl. What we want to do in a mixing bowl, we want to put our 1.5 ounce ladle of strawberry vinaigrette dressing, then 5 cups of our 50% romaine, 50% spinach blend, and then 2 strawberries quartered up, and then toss. Lightly toss and roll it through the vinaigrette dressing. You want to make sure you get a nice even coverage on all of your leaves. Anytime you're tossing a salad in dressing, you always want to put your dressing in first and then kind of roll your salad into the dressing so you get nice even coverage. Okay, in a specialty salad bowl, our plaque bowl, we're going to place this mixture. Okay, then we're going to top with our pickled onions. And then we will place 4 half-inch thick slices of our pecan-coated goat cheese on top of the salad. And then we'll place our grilled 7-ounce chicken breast that's been lightly seasoned with char seasoning And we're going to cut that in about 10 to 12 pieces. Put that on top of our salad. And we're ready to serve.